Little dark. Hello, kids. Sorry about the darkness here. It's 10 o'clock, 10:24 on a Thursday night as I record this, but not 10:24 on a Thursday night. As you see this, it's a Friday mid-morning. So sorry I'm not in today. I'll explain that a little bit later, but here's our video. This is my second attempt at this video tonight. I was about halfway through the lesson and I realized I hadn't shared the screen. So we need to do that. So here's what we got. So in this video, we're going to discuss page one, and I'm going to teach you how to do page 2 and page 3. Page 2 and page 3 are multiplying and dividing. Oh, I'm in the darkness now. All right, so I'm not in because my wife's having a little surgery tomorrow. It's kind of a skin thing, and I just need to be around to help and all that type of thing. So sorry about that. I know we've got another video day scheduled on Monday and then a drop on Tuesday. I don't like that at all. Maybe I can come in on Monday. We'll see, but let's take care of this first. All right, so remember, this is all about factor and reduce. Factor and reduce. Say, why can't I just reduce? 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes in that, 9. Cancel a y with one of those y's. Doesn't that work? It doesn't. We already looked at something like this. Can we say, well, let me just cancel this 2 with the 4 like that, and this 3 with the 12 like that. 2 plus 4 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2 on the bottom. That should equal 3. But it doesn't, because 4 plus 12 over 2 plus 3 is 16 over 5, which is not 3. Close to 3, but it's not 3. See, you cannot cancel things that are being added or subtracted to each other. You cannot cancel terms. Terms are being added or subtracted from each other. Same thing here. I cannot cancel this h with this h or this 4 with this 24 because they are terms being added or subtracted to each other. What we can cancel is factors. So if we have 2x times x plus 3 in 8x squared x plus 3, we have factors here. We know about factors. Factors are things being multiplied together. So since this is a factor and this is a factor being multiplied here, we can cancel those entire binomials. Then we can cancel this 2 with this 8, get a 4, this x with one of those x's. Well, why can I cancel it now, but I couldn't cancel like the h's here? Because that 6h is being subtracted. This 2x is being multiplied. So that's why we must factor first, factor and reduce. I was not kidding when I told you factor and reduce. So like number 6 here, we factor the numerator, y plus 5, y minus 9. That's just simple FOTO factoring. And now that's a factor that can cancel with that entire binomial. Answer y minus 9. Easy peasy. It really is pretty easy stuff. It's all about factoring. So let's look at number 2. 42 is 42. Denominator, 7, c plus 7 on our GCF. Now this isn't 7's a factor. It's being multiplied. So I can cancel it with the 42 and get 6 over c plus 7. Number 7, number 3 are done the same way. We'll come back to number 8. Let's look at number 4. Number 4, trinomial multiplies to negative 27, adds to positive 6. That looks like a 9 and a negative 3. So x plus 9, x minus 3. Denominator, same idea, x plus 4, x minus 3. We can cancel entire factors. There. Answer x plus 9 over x plus 4. And then I can cancel this x with this x. No, I was just kidding. Those are not factors. Those are terms. They're being added. So that's your answer. So how about number 9? They're all factors. Everything's being multiplied. 2 goes into that 5. 2 goes into that 8. And I think those are both k to the 6th, k to the 6th. Those cancel. It's just 5/8. How about number 5? Numerator is d minus 7 hey, numerator is D minus 7. Denominator factors into D plus 9 and D minus, oh, I did it again, D minus 7. And then our D minus 7s cancel, leaving us with 1 over D plus 9. Okay, let's take a look at number 8, the trickiest of them. But first, I have to check my phone just rang. How do I stop? Well, I'm not going to take that chance of losing this. Nice. Okay, so number 8, there's no GCF here. We multiply the negative 48, add to 22. Where did I get that negative 48? 16 times negative 3. Remember that? So what combo is that? How about 24 and negative 2? Multiplies to negative 48, adds to 22. So plus 24 plus, no, I'm sorry, minus 2. Minus 2. And remember with Magic Fiotio, we repeat the 16b. And then you factor it out, throw it out. I can factor out an 8, 2b plus 3. I can factor out a 2, 8b minus 1. And we throw them out. So my numerator becomes 2b plus 3, 8b minus 1. Let me just double check, make sure that's right. 16, 24. Yeah, it is. Denominator multiplies to 120, adds to 22. That's going to be 10 and 12. So let me do it over here. I'll have 8b plus 10, 8b plus 12. Factor out of 2, 4b plus 5. Factor out of 4, 2b plus 3. Factor it out, throw it out. So down there, I've got 4b plus 5, and I've got 2b plus 3. And guess what? The 2b plus 3's cancel. Answer, 8b minus 1 over 4b plus 5. All right, so that's it. If you need any more practice on that, I actually have a Delta math assignment for some more practice later on. All right, let's get to the new stuff. New stuff is multiplying and dividing rational expressions. So on this page 3, those look like plus signs. They're all division signs, okay, kids? Even though they look like pluses, they are divisions. Multiplying, dividing is easy peasy because, let's see, remember how to multiply things like this? Yeah, you don't need a common denominator when you multiply. You just multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom, and reduce. What if you had something like this? You can multiply across the top, multiply across the bottom, and reduce to 1/2. Or you can pre-cancel. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 8, 4. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 10, 2. Then I can cancel here. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 4, 2. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2, 1/2. So you can pre-cancel. It's not cross-multiplying, it's kind of cross-canceling. It's not even cross-canceling because you can cancel the same up and down. It's just canceling and then multiply the results. So same thing happens on ones like number 1. Is there an easy one here? Yeah, let's go with number 9. I don't know why they start with the tougher ones. So you can multiply across 18 over 70d and then reduce that down. Nothing wrong with that. I think you're better off seeing if we can reduce ahead of time. Let's see. 3 doesn't cancel with any denominator, but 6 and 10 by 2. 2 goes in 3 times, 2 goes in 5 times. Now multiply across 9 over 35d. That's it. Not very interesting at all. Let's look at number 1. Well, can we cancel it all? Yeah, this r minus 11 cancels to r minus 11. This 4 cancels this 4. I guess it's just 2r or r minus 5. Okay. How about one like number 6? Well, can I cancel this 80 with this 8, or this 8 with this 10, this H with this H? No, 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 because those are not factors. They are terms. So it is factor, cancel, multiply. Those are your 3 steps. You can write those down. Factor, cancel, multiply. So for number 6, we'll factor. This is going to factor into H plus 8, H plus 10. Ran out of room. H plus 8, H plus 10 over H plus 8 times H plus 10 over 2. So we did the factor. Now, what can we cancel? This H plus 8, cancel that H plus 8. Do the H plus 10s cancel? No, they're both on top. So once you're done canceling, you multiply H plus 10 times H plus 10. You can write H plus 10 squared over 2. That's your answer. That's it. One like number 3, you can cancel. Then number 4, factor and then cancel. One like number 10, factor all around and then cancel. How about division? Well, I think you know when you divide something like this, 3/5 divided by 9 over 2, what do? You flip the divisor. You flip the second one. You flip, and then you multiply. And I can cancel like that and get 2 over 15. So how do we divide? We flip, we factor, we cancel, we multiply. Same steps as here, except we flip first. Suppose you can factor first, but I think you want to flip first so you don't forget it. So let's look at one like number 8. I'm only purple because I can't get at the other color. There's this other bar in the way, so I'll just stick with purple. All right, so we're going to flip. So k minus 4 over this, and we'll flip this k minus 7 over 10k. So we flip the divisor. Next, we factor. And we'll have k minus 4 on the top. The bottom comes out k minus 4k plus 3 times k minus 7 over 10k. So we flipped, we factored. Now can we cancel? K minus 4 cancel. You mean I can cancel up and down the same fraction? Yeah, it doesn't always have to be diagonal. Any more canceling? No. I guess it's k minus 7 over 10k in front and then k plus 3. That's it. Okay. Let's look at some more interesting ones. I want to go to Delta Math, and I think I've got it here somewhere. I've posted a Delta Math assignment called Rational Expressions. So when you log into Delta Math, you'll find this, and I want to show you what it looks like. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of skills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, each with 3 questions. So there's 15 problems to do. Let me just show you what they look like. So multiplying, dividing, level 1. So here you go. I don't know if I can write on this. Let's find out. Oh, nice. X squared minus 4, x minus 2. Since it's division, we'll flip. Oh, this is good. These are better problems here than actually the worksheet. So I'm not assigning this now. The homework is worksheets page 2 and 3. This will be part of our review. But if you want a head start and more practice, you'll go for it. So we flip, and now we factor. This factors into x plus 2, x minus 2. It's a difference of squares. This factors into x minus 4, x plus 2. So once we factor those, that's gone. and that's gone. It's turned into the factoring above and below it. So once we factor, what do we do next? We cancel this x minus 2, this x minus 2, this x plus 2, this x plus 2. What am I left with? 3x cubed over x minus 4. I think that's it. Yep, 3x cubed over x minus 4. How do I input that? You know what? I'm not sure. Let's find out. I need my keyboard. So how do I put in 3x cubed? 3x, hey, 3x. Now, how do I raise it to the third power? See this a to the b power? Hit a to the b, and then 3. There's your 3x cubed. Now put the cursor there to get it off of the exponent. Divided by, I guess we'll just do divided by. Oh, nice. Now I just do x minus 4. I like how it looks. Submit the answer. You really want to submit that? Yes, we do. Look at that. We got it right, huh? Nice. New problems, same type of thing, kids. Same stuff. So good practice there. Let me go back to some other skills. Multiplying level 2. Okay. Get that out of the way. So how do we do multiply? We factor and then we cancel. Okay, I lost my drawer here. Okay, so how do we factor x cubed minus 16x? Well, we can factor an x out first. And now it's x squared minus 16, right? You can factor out an x squared minus 16, and that's difference of squares. So I get x minus 4, x plus 4. So that's that one. This one is also difference of squares, x plus 10, x minus 10. Didn't plan my spacing very well here. How about down here? You can factor a 6, x plus 4. How about over here? Oh, well, we can factor an x squared, can't we? Now I have x squared minus 14x plus 40. All right. Take out an x squared. So I'm going to have x squared here, and I'll have x. What does 40 give me? X minus 10, x minus 4. X minus 10, x minus 4. Okay. Then we can cancel. X minus 10, x minus 10. X minus 4, x minus 4. X plus 4, x plus 4. Hey, this x with one of these x, that's x squared, cancels with one of them. Anything else? I think that's it. X plus 10 over 6x. We get that right? Let's find out. X plus 10, x plus, not 4, you get x plus 10 divided by, oh, that's not what we wanted. All right, so I think maybe I should put this x plus 10 in parentheses. When in doubt, use parentheses. X plus 10. Oh, why does that keep happening? X plus 10, and now divided by 6x. That looks better. All right, let's go for it. We got it. Okay, good. So again, there's your Delta Math assignment called Rational Expressions. Try it if you want. Eventually, I'm going to assign it for a homework, but you don't need to do it right now. I'm just showing you, for some more practice. Ooh, scary. All right, so we all set on page 3. And page 2, really not tough stuff at all, kids. It's all about the factoring, is it? It's all about the factoring. All right, I think that's it. And I'll see you soon. Thanks, kids. Bye-bye. So long.